everyone, today I wanted to share a sensorial activity that's fantastic for toddlers and kids of all ages. I have done another video sharing our recipe for making colored coconut for sensory play, so I'm not going to go through that here. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link above and in the description box below. It's definitely worth checking out. Play-Doh in general is brilliant for kids' fine and gross motor skills, especially when they're using rolling pins and little knives and poking little holes in the Play-Doh. And it's also great for creativity and imagination. But with this addition to the Play-Doh, they also practice picking up the shredded coconut pieces with their little fingers and using the pincer grip, which really develops and strengthens those muscles in their hands. So basically, my kids were having a really great time with colored coconut, but then my son had this idea of combining the coconut with Play-Doh. So we ended up making a fresh batch of Play-Doh. Again, if you're interested in seeing how we made our Play-Doh, I'll leave a link to that as well. This was such a brilliant idea because the colored coconut gave the Play-Doh a fantastic texture, color, and smell. In fact, it sort of made everyone a little hungry. So this turned out to be a very sensorial activity. Both of my kids had a great time rolling it out and using all sorts of utensils like little butter knives, scoops, and cookie cutters. This is an activity definitely worth giving a go if you have little ones.